So today I am going to talk about this particular watch brand which needs no introduction and it's hard to miss. But before that, let me tell you a bit about Yacht Watch Club, where the idea is to make honest and awesome watch reviews. Let me know what watch you have in mind and I would be happy to review it next. You can also follow my YouTube channel to stay updated on the future watch reviews and also give us a like on the Instagram page. You can check our website to order a few watches from Vostok and Bertucci, or you can directly reach out to me on my Instagram page. So let's quickly jump back to the watch and the brand that is our focus for today, Casio. So if we look back into the history, Casio started in 1946, but they didn't start making watches until 1974. That's when they launched their first watch called Casiotron. That era was a shift from the mechanical watches to quartz watches, and Casio did it first with their digital watch. So let's look at the particular model that we are going to talk about today, which is the Casio Enticer MTP 1302PD. So now this particular watch comes in a case size of 38.5 mm, a lug-to-lug width of 44.2 mm and a thickness of 9.2 mm. The case material is made of stainless steel, while the crystal is in mineral glass, which gives it decent scratch resistance. The dial is Tiffany blue in color, which is in trend these days for sure. This one also has metal markers and the hands are also in metal in a retro design with knurled finish on the stationary bezel that you would find here, which totally reminds me of a Rolex datejust. The watch also has a water resistance of 50 meters, which is frankly too less, but what do you expect at this price point? And this one also weighs 105 grams, which fits in really nicely on my wrist, not too large a watch, and I can easily don it on a daily basis. I also left it a little loose that you can see so that it dangles on my wrist while I flick it so that I wear it like a Rolex. The bracelet is also in stainless steel with a one-touch 3-fold clasp. The strap is not heavy, in fact very light, and feels really comfortable to wear. And this one is a perfect beta watch which goes with all kinds of outfits and all occasions. I could go and watch an IPL match, or I could go for a dinner in a 5-star hotel. I would still wear this watch. Now this comes with a 2-year warranty and the battery should be replaced preferably from the Casio service center. Not sure about the battery life, but I think it should work for 2 to 3 years. This one also has various color options like the tragic white, the royal blue and the black. I personally preferred the Tiffany blue because it just looked different, shined different, and the color is just mesmerizing. This one is priced at 4,000 rupees or approximately $50. Now this particular watch has a lume applied on its hour and hand markers. Also, if you look at the bracelet, as I told you, it's a clasp, and you can also see Casio engraved on the main clasp of this bracelet. If you flip the watch behind, you can see some basic engravings about the brand, about its water resistance, about the material of the case back and the exact model number. If you look at the watch from front and you want to set up the time, it would be really easy. This one also comes with a date window. So if you pull out the crown in the first position and you rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction, you can see the date window moving. And if you pull the crown out in the outmost position and rotate the crown in the clockwise direction, you can adjust the time. Since this is a quartz watch, going back in time should also not be a problem. Just ensure that if you are changing the dates, the time should not be between 10 and 2 p.m. Let us do a quick competitor analysis of what watch I am going to buy if I have a budget of $5,000 or $60. The first watch that comes to my mind is the Fossil Defender in the solar edition, which saves me the hassle of changing its battery every other year. Now this one is a really good field watch and my top choice after Casio. The second option is the Timex Expedition, which is another field watch from Timex. This one is a quartz movement and this is a decent watch to buy in this price segment again. The third watch, which was recently launched, is the Skagen Melby series in the titanium version. This is priced around $70 or around 7,000 rupees, and I really like the design of this watch. The last option in my mind would be the basic Casio G-Shock GMD S5600. you can't go wrong with Casio again. So it was imperative that I put a Casio watch as an alternative. Which one are you going to choose from this one? Let me know in the comments below. So now if you have reached this stage, let me summarize it for you. Now I would wear this watch on a daily basis because it's very light in weight. Buying this watch was as logical as impulsive for me because I just couldn't resist myself from buying this one in this super cool Tiffany blue color. This particular price segment has been the rage and is one of the hottest selling categories in India, and people are always looking out for better and better choices. People really want to move away from fashion brands, but they have no idea what alternatives are there. And Casio is one such watch which you can buy for 2000 rupees also, and you could buy a 1 lakh rupee Casio watch as well. The kind of range that this company provides is just mind-boggling, and the best part is it does not define the category of this particular brand. So are you going to pick this watch in your collection? And if yes, what would be your preference of color? So when I see a fashion brand, I despise it, but whenever I see a Casio, I just need it. So which options from the above are you going to choose? Let me know in the comments below. What are you wearing today?